You only have to go. Oh, you do.
The lounge, and then this is the kitchen, and then the bathroom.
I've got aircon in here. Yeah, get that aircon going. Stay in here.
But bathroom, hey, and then oh, makeup. I like that. Toilet, shower. Just a range of dishes. Cute little, is it pahudakawa? I'm not really sure. Tea and coffee. Yeah, tea and coffee. You're all ready to swim, eh? Cute little lounge. TV, and what's in there?
Linen cupboard, it's locked.
Oh. I guess they probably have spare stuff in there. So yeah.
Auntie, the spider money is at the hole.
Good morning. So we are at Miranda Hot Springs. If you hadn't realised, I was not at home. I gave you guys a room tour last night, but we're here for Kawa's staff. It's not a staff party. It's more like a staff meeting. So we're here for his work. I'm gonna take the kids for a swim later on. But yeah, it's really nice here. Hello, get off the coffee table. It's not built for kids, even though it's kind of like a family room. There's like glass furniture, things at children's heights. Yeah, I'm gonna vlog my day, my week. What is today? Today's only Thursday, so yeah. We're just about to head over for breakfast. Carlo and I are going to look at the Flying Fox over here behind the BMX track. So yeah, we're just cruising. He doesn't have any shoes because he's gone out of them. But it's okay, it's grass. There is my beautiful hubby. Just made me an omelette with some avocado. Yum. It has mozzarella, spinach, capsicum, tomato, and egg. And we're gonna just have a side of avocado because we have no bread. Otherwise I would have made avocado on toast. Okay, I wondered why my camera film looks so weird, and it's because I had it on camera mode and not video mode, so that's better. We're just sitting in the car because Kawana is just doing the final lockup. We're going to his parents' house this weekend. Yeah, we are. We're going to Kokorini, Casey, Nana, Lisa, Waikura, Nana and Boo Boo too. He's just doing the final lockup, and we're going, well technically it's not the weekend because today's Saturday. It'll be tonight, Sunday, Monday, and then we come home Tuesday. And then Everly's got her first ever kindy trip, which is really awesome. Where are these off? Anyway, headphones so I can travel. This rain has just come out of nowhere. Your hair needs a haircut.
Tara,
yeah.
Sarah. Hi kids, love you. Make sure you listen to Nana and Coco. So where are we going today, Tara?
We're going to Osterios for a date night.
We are going for a date night.
Without the kids.
Without the kids, that's good.
Without the kids.
Juicy stuff.
What is the juicy
Like the juicy date secrets.
What's that?
I don't know, I'm asking you, what are your long-term tips for couples that are coming up a decade for going on dates?
Make sure you go on dates.
Make sure you go on dates. Rule number one, make sure you go on dates. So number one, go on dates. Number two, don't take your kids. It's not a date if you take your kids.
Yes it is, it's a family day.
Oh my ass. Alright, there's a nice shot of Koro. Good to see you again. Haven't seen old Koro Rupihu in a while.
Here it is. Oh my god. That's so embarrassing. Mum life. Kawa's taking forever to decide what to order because the mussels are out of stock. Shrimp cocktail, breads with garlic, and prawn cutlets. They're not prawn cutlets, they're just prawns. Cutlets, they're not breaded though.
No, there's a bread.
Vegetarian pizza and prawn pasta. We have just finished our dinner and the sun is so bright.
Thank you for the date, darling.
Yeah, thank you too.
The good company. I could see the older couple across from us keep smiling at us and laughing.
Why?
Guess probably like, ha! youth. Oh, still in love. We're at the mutual friendship stage.
We just stopped to see our babies and go home. We just stopped and saw Cedar and Tina and Pippi Girl, and now we're gonna go home. Say goodnight. I feel real sick though.